Hello, good morning everyone. Today we are going to see Unix theory class session 8. In the previous topic, we have studied the read command and input output redirection operators. In today's topic, we are going to know more about the VI editors. VI editor is most popular and classic text editor which is available in all Unix Linux distributions. So using VI editor, you type a set of commands and you compile it and you run it and you execute the programs using VI editors. So VI editors allows you to write a set of commands and at a time you can execute it. So the default editor that comes with the Unix Linux operating system is called VI editor and it is called visual editor. There are three modes in VI: command mode, input mode is also called as insert mode, and last we have X mode, that is exit mode. It is also called as last line mode. So by default, when you open the VI editor, you all will be in the command mode. So if you want to type in the VI editor, you need to switch to insert mode. So for that you need to type the letter I from the keyboard. So when you type the letter I from the keyboard, you go to the insert mode and it allows you to insert new text and you can edit any existing text also. To return to the command mode and to save the changes, you need to press escape key. Okay. So after typing, you need to return to the command mode by pressing escape key and you need to also save it before exiting from the file. Next is exit mode or last line mode. Is to save the changes of the file, you need to come to the exit mode. See, the bottom line of the VI screen is called X mode. When you start VI, by default it is in a command mode. So to exit the input mode, by pressing the escape key to get back to the command mode. So after coming back to the command mode, then you are in a exit mode, and in exit mode only, that is in last line mode only, you can save the changes to your files. See this diagram. See, by default when you open the VI editor, you all will be in the command mode. And then if you want to move to the input mode for typing, then you need to press letters I, that is, or capital I. So Unix is a case sensitive. Small letter A is different and capital letter A is different. They can perform different tasks. So if you want to write the so this all allows you to write when you are only in the input mode. Okay, if you press A, it will allow you to write after cursor. Okay, and capital A allows you to write at the end of line, and open, it allows you to write on a new line, and C, change, or you can also delete the earlier contents, and R is replacing any character. So this all you can do only when you are in an input mode. So after making the changes in the file, you need to return to the command mode by pressing the escape key. Okay. So after coming to the command mode, now you want to save your changes and all, then you need to go to the last line mode by pressing colon. Then you can type various letters with the colon to save the changes, and then again you need to return to the command mode. This is how the VI editor works, and using this it allows you to compile, execute a set of commands. See another diagram. So this is our Unix shell, or you can say last line mode, or you can say this is also EX mode. Okay. So from the Unix shell you go to the command mode. So to move to the insert mode, you need to type these all letters. These all characters have different meanings. So according to that you can type whichever is needed. Then again you need to move back to the command mode by pressing escape key. Now you need to save the changes. To save the changes or to move to the EX mode, you need to type here colon with various characters to save the changes, and then you will move to the EX mode or Unix shell. So these are the different meanings of various characters which are used in the insert mode. See, insert text to the left of the cursor position, appends text to the right of the cursor position, insert text at beginning, appends text at the end of line, opens line below, opens line above, replaces. Okay, various characters have various meaning. Small characters and capital characters have different meanings there. Now this is going to work in a EX mode when you want to save the changes. Okay, these all letters, characters has to be used with the colon. See, if you press colon plus capital W, saves files and remains in editing mode. Now see, after making the changes, you want to save it, but you don't want to come out of the program. Sometimes you should keep on saving your programs, whatever you write. Okay, it's not that at the end only you are going to save it. So you need to save it, and if you want to still remain in the input mode only, in editing mode only, then you need to just press capital W, saves and remains in editing mode, and see colon X saves and quits editing mode. Yes, it is going to come out of the editing mode, save and comes out of editing mode. And if you type colon WQ, it saves and quits editing mode. Even this is going to work same like X. These both are going to work as same. Now suppose for the same file you want to give some another file name. Okay, for some file name you are given, some specific file name you are given, and you want to change the file name. Then you can press here small w. Okay, it is going to act like a save as. Okay. Now see another small w and exclamation operator. See, it acts like save as, but overrides existing file. Okay, so whatever the contents were there in that file, earlier file it is going to be deleted, and new file with the new name will be created. Okay, now see colon Q quits editing mode. Yes, without saving it quits editing mode. It is not going to save the file. Okay, and if you use with exclamation operator, okay, it is going to quit editing mode by rejecting changes made. Yes, and colon sh temporarily escapes to Unix shell and can return to VI by typing exit. Recovers file from crash. So these are the various options you can use in a EX mode or last line mode to save your changes, or if you don't want to save the changes. Navigation. Okay, there are also some keys to move. Once you are in an input mode, you can also move the cursors. You can use the letters like K to move cursor up, J to move the cursor down, and H to move the cursor left, and L to move the cursor right. Okay. Next, there are also 3 basic commands. Like at a time, if you want to move back to beginning of word, then you can press B, or at a time if you want to move forward to end of word, you can press E, or at a time if you want to move forward to beginning word, you can press W. So these are some characters for which some specific tasks are assigned. So in today's session we have studied all about VI editors. So based on these VI editors, the Viva questions will come for UI exams. I hope you all understood. Thank you.